Good morning, guys. My name is ARUN Singh, and you are watching Free Education World. Today we plan to start daily MCQ for UPSC purpose. The MCQ will be based on current affairs and static portions. So we will update it on daily basis, almost 10 to 20 MCQ that will be related to current affair and statics. So we will start from today. The first MCQ is the option, consider the following statements. First option is forest cover nearly 40% of the global land area. Second option is of the total forest area, more than 1/3 is primary forest, naturally regenerated forest of the native species. Third option is the intricate link between poverty and environmental degradation was first highlighted by India at the first UN Global Conference on the Human Environment in Stockholm. Which of the above statements are correct? The first is A is 1 and 2, B is 2 only, C is 2 and 3, D is 1, 2, 3. So we can solve this question with the elimination method. As we all know, the option first is incorrect. First option is forest cover nearly 40% of the global land area. That is not 40%, that is 31% only. So according to the option, when first is correct, then first is incorrect, then this will be eliminated and this will be eliminated. Now we have two options only, 2 and 2 only, and 2 and 3. So 2 is absolutely correct. So we have to see on the option number 3. Option number 3 is the intricate link between poverty and environmental degradation was first highlighted by India at the first UN Global Conference on the Human Environment in Stockholm. This is absolutely correct. So the correct option will be the C, 2 and 3. Let's see the explanation. 2 and 3 is correct. Forest cover 31% of the global land area. Approximately half of the forest area is relatively intact and more than 1/3 is primary forest. More than half of the world's forests are found in only 5 countries, that is Russian Federation, Brazil, Canada, United States and China. And 2/3, 66% of the forests are found in the 10 countries. Globally, 18% of the world's forest area fall within legally established protected areas such as national parks, conservation areas and game reserves, IUCN categories 1 to 4. Nearly 5.03% of the Indian forest are under protection area management, needing specific restoration strategies. The remaining area witness a range of distribution including grazing, encroachment, fire, climate change impact that needs area specific considerations. The intricate link between poverty and environmental degradation was first highlighted by India at the first UN Global Conference on the Human Environment in Stockholm. That was the option and this is correct. So correct option will be 2 and 3. C is correct option. We'll move to the next question. Next question is, in India, microcredit is delivered through which of the following channels? First is scheduled commercial bank including small finance banks, correct. Second is cooperative banks, correct. Third is non-banking financial companies, this is also correct. And fourth is microfinance institution registered as NBFCs, that is also correct. So the correct option will be D. Let's see the explanations. Microfinance is a form of financial service which provides small loans and other financial services to poor and low income households. Microcredit is delivered through a variety of institutional channels with scheduled commercial bank including small financial banks and regional rural banks lending both directly as well as through business correspondents and self-help groups. Cooperative banks, non-NBFCs, microfinance institutions registered as NBFCs as well as in other forms. So correct option will be D. All are correct. We'll move to the next question. Next question is, although the monsoon season ends with September, several parts of the country are still receiving rainfall. This can be due to first option is delayed monsoon withdrawal. Second option is development of low pressure area at multiple places. First is 1 only, second is B is 2 only, C is 1 and 2 and D is neither 1 and not 2. So correct option will be both 1 and 2. Delayed monsoon withdrawal and development of the low pressure area at multiple places. So let's see the explanation. Although the monsoon season ends with September, a delayed withdrawal and other factors have been causing heavy rainfall in several states. Delhi, Kerala, Madhya Pradesh and Uttarakhand, for example, have received very high rainfall in the last few days. Development of low pressure areas at multiple places have resulted in these rainfall events at several places. Rain in October is not unusual. October is considered a month of transition during which the southwest monsoon withdraws and gives way to the northeast monsoon, and that largely affects southern peninsular India, mainly on the eastern side. This year, however, the withdrawal began only on October 6 against a normal of September 17. As there has been a delay in southwest monsoon withdrawal, good rainfall has continued over Odisha, the northeast of the South India. Let's move to the next question. Next question is, consider the following statement regarding the energy source in India. First option is option number 1 is the installed capacity of hydro, wind and solar energy combined in higher than the coal-fired power plants. Second option is the renewable energy generation is higher in South India compared to the other parts of India. And the third option is the demand for electricity is higher in South India compared to the other parts of India. So, which of the above statement is correct? First is 1 and 2, B is 2 only, C is 2 and 3, D is 1, 2, 3. Let's see. So, first option has the first option is the installed capacity of hydro, wind and solar energy combined is higher than the coal-fired power plant. This is wrong. This is wrong. And second option is the renewable energy generation is higher in South India compared to the other parts of India. This is correct. The demand for electricity is higher in South India compared to other parts of India. This is wrong. So answer will be 2 only. Let's move to the next question. Next question is Article 239A of the Constitution deal with Article 239. This is the direct question. This is the direct question from the POLITY Lakshmikant. Article 239A of the Indian Constitution deals with the power of the Parliament to create a legislature for the Union Territories. Option C will be the correct answer. In 1962, after the signing of the treaty with France, the territories of the Pondicherry, Karaikal, Mahe and Yanam became the part of the Indian Union. In the same year, then Home Minister Lal Bahadur Shastri introduced a constitutional amendment bill in Parliament which grouped these territories into the Union Territory of Pondicherry and also inserted a new Article 239A into the Constitution. The new article gave Parliament power to create a legislature for Union Territories. Okay, so just move to the next question. The next question is, consider the following statements regarding microgravity. Microgravity is the condition in which people or object appears to be weightless. It occurs when gravitation force around is zero or when objects are in a state of free fall. Which above is the correct answer? A is 1 only, B is 2 only, C is both 1 and 2, D neither 1 nor 2. So 1 is 100% correct option. Microgravity is a condition in which people or object appear to be weightless. That is correct option. It occurs when gravitational force around is zero or when object is in a state. 0 is not correct. I think weak. So the correct option will be the 1 only. Let's see the explanation. Microgravity is the condition in which people or object appears to be weightless. This occurs when the gravitation force around is weak but not zero, or when objects are in the state of free fall. For example, astronaut can move equipment weighing hundreds of pounds with their fingerprints due to microgravity. So correct option will be the answer A. Let's move to the next question. Next question is, a black hole cannot be seen because of the strong gravity that is pulling all of the light into the black hole center. Option number 2 is, if a star is orbiting a center point in space, scientists can study the star's motion to find out if it is orbiting a black hole. So first option is A only and second option is 2 only, 1 and 2, D is neither 1 nor 2. Let's see that. So the answer will be the C, both 1 and 2 are correct. A black hole cannot be seen because of the strong gravity. It is pulling all of the light into the black hole center. And however, scientists can see the effect of its strong gravity on the stars and gases around it. If a star is orbiting a certain point in space, scientists can study the star's motion to find out if it is orbiting a black hole. So correct option will be the C. Both 1 and 2 are correct. Let's move to the next question. Next question is, the average temperature roughly decreases from the equator towards the poles in the same manner as that of distribution of. Direct question from the geography NCERT, solar insolation. The correct option will be the solar insolation. Let's see the explanation. An important factor that influences the distribution of temperature is insolation. Insolation is the incoming solar energy intercepted by the earth. The amount of the insolation decreases from the equator towards the poles. Therefore, the temperature decreases in the same manner. The correct option will be the D. So, correct option is D. D is correct. Let's move to the next question. Next question is, consider the following statement regarding pulsars. Pulsars are non-magnetized rotating neutron stars that contain more mass than that of the sun. Second option is, scientists are studying pulsars in search for planets beyond Earth's solar system and measure cosmic distance. First option is A only, two only, both 1 and 2, neither 1 nor 2. Let's see the answer. So the correct option will be the 2 only. First is incorrect. Pulsars are highly magnetized rotating neutron stars that emit a beam of electromagnetic radiation. They are spherical compact objects but contain more mass than that of the sun. Scientists are using pulsars to study extreme state of matter, search for planet beyond Earth's solar system and measure cosmic distance. So the correct option will be the 2, that is B, 2 only. So let's move to the next question. Next question is, even when the Earth gets nearest to the sun, the effect of this increased solar insolation are not felt on a large scale on Earth. This can be due to, see, this is the direct question from the 7th class NCERT. So option first is circulation of the ocean current, and second option is redistribution of the heat through trade winds. Both options are correct. Let's see the explanation. Distribution of land and sea, heat transfer by way of sea and land breezes, etc. redistribute the increased insolation so that the effect are not felt on a large scale. Both options are correct. Okay, so this is the last question of today's MCQ series. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and we will continue it till the prelims 2022, and we will discuss it on daily basis. The MCQ will be based on current affair and static portions. So thank you. Jai Hind.